So I am going to go through the new RBAC work that we're working on. So we'll start here at our just generic test group. The idea is that you'd be able to go to the admin menu. You would go to a new section labeled roles and permissions. We're still looking for feedback on the title. From here, you'll have the current default GitLab permissions, and then the idea you'd have a container separate from them to manage your organization's permissions or roles. And that way we can at least keep them separate and have a way to troubleshoot or to reset permissions if needed. Here we'll have the permissions library similar to what we have in documentation, just with every permission available. These have been categorized so that they will be more specific to the permission or the feature that they're working with. So from here, we'll go to new role. Let's pretend we call the role incident manager. We'll give it a base role of developer based off of what the current GitLab role is. So here we'll have the list of permissions that are allowable in that environment, in that role. And here's the new role that we're making. And so we'll have this one, for example, where a developer does not have the ability to delete epics. So let's say we'll allow that, and then we'll save. And now you've created a new role labeled incident manager here. So next we'll go to our group and we will add a member with that new role. So we'll invite members. I'll have accounts. I'll give them this new role where I have labeled this new incident manager. And I also have the 5 roles currently for GitLab so that we don't have, so that we can go back and offer that if we still need as some sort of reset, or if there's just, it checks all the right boxes for whatever you need here, specifically like guest. Then we'll continue and we'll save. And now we have this new role, new member with this new role that did not exist before. And that is the way that the RBAC flow should work at our first iteration. So we're looking for feedback from this point to see what makes sense and what is lacking and what might not be currently included in this demo.